guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure, and today we're going to make frost. Let's get started. You'll need a metal can, ice, half cup of salt, and a spoon. Okay, the first thing we'll do is pour the ice in here. Pour the salt into the can. We decided to put plastic wrap on top for a lid.
Since this can doesn't have a lid.
To keep the temperature.
And as you can see, it's kind of frosty. I thought it would actually be like ice. The ice inside, the salt's melting it, then it's frosting the can.
So what do you think we'll have left over inside the can?
Salt, and salt.
What do you mean salt?
With
What happened to the ice? Oh yeah.
Salt, and salt. Basically seawater, salt.
Hey, if you blow on it, it wants to melt. Hey, look!
Why does it frost?
Oh, it frosts because there's water vapor in the air. When it goes to the metal can, it freezes because of the ice.
And why do you need the salt?
The salt makes the ice melt quicker. Let's check. It frosted.
More like it freezed. We'll come back when it's been 20 minutes. There's a little, so tiny we need to zoom really in just to see those.
The change.
Yeah.
It's turning to ice, I think. I hope you enjoyed this video.
If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!